Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well and keeping safe. We've had some really weird weather lately. A lot of weird weather. Like a while ago we had a bit of lightning and thunder. Then after that we had just lightning. It was just plain, no rain or nothing. Then the other day, after that, like a couple of days after that, or a day after that, something like that, we had just thunder. With like little bits of lightning, which you could hardly see. I've got something here that I'll do a review on. It's kind of a given what it is when I point you down to it, because you'll just see it straight off. I can't remember how much I paid for it though, so I can't tell you that. Sorry. I think it's like 70 quid, something like that. But I'll get you pointed down and we'll get it open and see what it is. But before that, I've got a couple of things to open up there. It's probably nothing interesting, it's probably just stuff like woodwork and stuff like that, so let's keep pointing down. Probably see what it is now. We'll leave you there and we'll... So, got that one and that one. So, I already know what these are, obviously because I ordered them. When I'm obviously going to be doing stuff on this, it's thin, right? So I want to draw on a bit of cardboard first and then print it onto this. But of course you'll need to cut it out, right? So if you haven't guessed what it is yet, I'll show you. Come on. Jesus. So it's that. It's a cutting board. Obviously it's handy to have. It's only like 7 quid, so just pick that anyway. Now this, don't go by that, because when it turned up I was like, fish stuff? What? But no, don't go by that. So if you can't guess what that is already. Okay. Some more glue, because I only had a small container which I've had for ages and I was running out. That there, 1 litre was 8 quid, I want to say. So, can't complain on that. It lasts a while as well. That shelving as well I've put up in the other video that you've seen. I've ordered another one of them, but it's a bigger one. Because obviously more storage, plus I need to make like a workbench for it to go over the top of them, just so I have something to operate like this stuff on and whatnot. So let's get down to this, shall we? This way. Yes, I'm having to use my toolboxes and a crate to like get up high. So yeah, give me down a bit. Like that. Move that screen back over so I can see what I'm doing. So spin it around here. So this is a 1400 watt compound metric saw, 210mm, precision 210mm, 24 tooth, all metal blade, guards, arms, fence and table, dust extraction, port and carrying handle, folds down for compact storage, includes clamp which will be for like holding down the wood and stuff. Can't see it coming. Clamp, dust bag, rear stabilizer and high performance blade. So it's literally everything that you need to basically plug and play, basically. 1400 watts, 5000 RPM, 45 degree cutting angle, I'm guessing that is, and 6 kilograms. It's like I can hold it with one hand, so it's alright. Let's get it open, see what we've got. Of course we'll tape. Why wouldn't we? Because I want to get into woodworking side of things, make stuff. I have got other stuff coming as well. Shoelace keeps coming off, coming out. I'll show you. So let's have a look here. In this bag here we have Allen key. I'm guessing that'll be for changing the blade. Okay, another Allen key, smaller one, 2 different sizes. Dust extraction bag. Silverline are pretty good tools as well. I've had quite a few tools with them. And I can't remember what these are called now, but bushes, are they? Something like that? Brushes? Spare ones of them. The dust extraction bag will probably get used because it will get dusty pretty quickly, I would have thought. Obviously, got a manual there as well of what's what. Of course, none of you really like to play with that. So this one here you can mount down if you want to. You got hole there and there, and same the other side there and there. There's your clamp. So I'm guessing loosen that one off to spin and raise and stuff. And you haven't got a lot of height, but I suppose being only this size saw, that's all you'll need, right? Like, you won't need a lot of height. I'm guessing you got, what, 1.5 metres of cable, I'm guessing? Probably, maybe, alright, got probably, I would say about 2 metres of cable, which is actually really nice because you don't often see that. Actually, you never see that. Should have like a little thing here, so this one here, push it in, I'm guessing, to lock it up and pull it out to release it. Okay, some foam, protection foam. As you can see, we're on a bit of an angle here now, so I'm guessing this one back, no, not that one. Oh, right, so undo this. The one here, I don't know if you can see that. So you undo that one. And then I'm guessing you spin, there you go. You spin it round to 0. And then you lock it up with that. I don't like that, when you lock up with that. It's a bit naff, but it's okay. I'll zoom you in on, actually I'll just take you down a minute. So, as you can see here, you've got all your angle numbers and stuff. Okay, so you can see it's pretty much set on 0, not quite, but pretty much. By the looks of it, you can have even more of these clamps here for this side, or you can move that side if you want to, I'm guessing. Because I didn't see any more clamps in there, but you want that in as far as you go to vibrate out. This one is here for the back angle, so it'll be that angle. You can see there you got all your angles there. That's the thing for locking it, like I said. And to, obviously, once it's up like this, it's locked, right? So you can't move it. So because it's got a shield on it, what you need to do is pull that trigger bit, that little trigger bit with that, and you can see the guard goes down. So let's switch it on and see if it fires up. And then you've got the trigger underneath. That's not bad. That's not bad. Right, let me go get some wood, guys, and we'll cut some up and see what it's like for cutting. Right guys, all I can find is a bit of laminate and just like a bit of fence panel post. Let me turn it this way. Yeah, be right. Let me move this one away for you so you can actually see. Actually, I'll tell you what. Let's see how well this clamp holds. And if I draw a straight line, we'll see how. See if it's cut straight, shall we? So if I go this side here, which is a straight edge. So we've got that mark there, you can see it. I'm pretty sure this is on 0, as 0 as it can be anyway. Pretty much dead 0. So get this in, get it lined up. When you line it up, make sure you keep your fingers back because obviously stuff happens. Get this clamped down. The thing is, if by the time you've got this clamped down, you could have already cut this 3 times. So let's give it a go and see what happens, shall we? Zoom in for this. Zoom in for this and see what happens. Ooh, wrong way. So, I know it's a new blade, but that is a pretty neat cut. And it's cut dead on the line as well. Oh, you can't see. Dead on the line, so that's good to know. So yeah, we'll start to get a bit tatty when you're cutting bits off like that. You just sand it down, right? It's no biggie. Now, as you can see, we've made quite a mess. I'm not saying this bag is going to be perfect because it won't collect it all. Obviously, you've got a zip on the end here. Make sure that's done up. There's no point on this. Also got, it's almost like a squeeze thing. You squeeze over. Quite chintzy. But if it works, right? There we go. So I'll go and this some more. I will give this quick blow off. So much dust it makes naturally. So yeah, still made a bit of dust, but not as much. But to be fair, it doesn't even feel like there's anything in there. So let's see what it's going to be like cutting a bit of laminate now, shall we? So again, do a straight line there. See how well it cuts it. Not bad. Obviously you wouldn't normally use something like this to cut laminate, you just wouldn't do it. But just cut it, not too bad. Obviously near the edges where it's wet, because I've picked this up from outside, it's going to get a bit crappy, but yeah, it's not bad. I don't really know what else to really say about it. So it's all metal. Even that, obviously the only bit that's not metal is the handle, obviously the bag, and the outer case. The rest of it is all metal. So that's good to know. But anyway, guys, I think that's going to be it for that. Obviously, yeah, things are going to go blunt, and you'll need to buy new blades. That happens. You buy new blades. It's fine, no big deal. But hope you guys enjoyed it. The video. If you've got one, let me know what you think. I will let you know what I think when I start using it. Because obviously I haven't used it yet. This is the first time you see me open the box. So, but anyway, guys, thanks ever so much for watching. I can't even talk today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you have a good rest of the day, whatever you're doing, and I'll see you in the next one.